This is where we ate our lunch in Death Valley, and afterwards we drank coffee and had a margarita, and that's what we looked at the whole time. It was very, very restful. The sun was brilliantly shining, and nobody had coats on or anything. Okay, so now we're going to go down these steps. Down these steps. Down, that's Joe walking in front of me. Down these steps. There's a fountain here. Beautiful little fountain. And this is called Furnace Creek Inn, you see. And then we're going out here to see the gardens. Here's the pool also. Little candles. Light your way. And there goes Joe down these stone steps. And then get to the bottom. I'm still standing. Haven't fallen down the steps yet. Okay. And then we keep going. Let me pause.